Hello guys and welcome to TechRex tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to cut videos in Invideo. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go of course on our project right here. And let's say for example that we want to cut some video right here from this scene. So all we have to do is to go here and click this edit scene. And then after that, you will now see the timeline of your video. So all we have to do is to double click on the video that we want to cut. And then scroll down until you see the media and then of course the video. So let's say for example that we want to cut this video from here to right here. So all we have to do is to right click on the video and then click this split button. After that, the video will be split. And of course, let's also split the one right here. And then click split right there. And then of course, to delete it and to cut the video, all we have to do is to go here on the top right corner and then click this delete button. Once you delete that, as you can see, the video is now deleted, and then we can adjust the video again. And as you can see, we now have cutted the video on Invideo. And once you're done with this, you can of course export the video. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching TechRex tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.